So the Z Fold 7, as we've said many times on this channel, is just going to be the Z Fold 6 Special Edition that released in Korea and other European countries, including China. Very limited release. Well, that's just going to be what the Z Fold 7 is, except it's going to have a couple changes. Based on what we understand, they can't make it as thin as the Z Fold 6 Special Edition because of the screen. They can't get rid of the digitizer layer. That's mainly the biggest issue. Other than that, it's going to be almost identical. It's going to be like the whole Oppo gets rebranded to OnePlus every year. That's going to be what this is, and is going to be what it is moving forward. Based on what we understand, this is kind of the trend moving forward, that every year we're going to see whatever the special edition phone is, that's just going to be the next year's Z Fold device. So looking at what we can expect right now, and again, keep in mind, it's not going to be one for one with the Z Fold 6 Special Edition, and they do have to change a little bit of things just because of the limitation they can and can't do. Z Fold 6 Special Edition will release in a very limited quantity. The Z Fold 7 is going to have to at least make 2 to 3 million units, right? They're not going to hit those old 10 million units expected numbers, but they're at least going to have to hit 2 or 3 million. So there is only so many they can actually do. A little side note here. Actually, I get in a ramble here, but that's why with the, like, for example, the Z Fold, iPhones, right? Let's say iPhones, the base model iPhones are 60 hertz displays. In 2025, the iPhones have 60 hertz displays. But the reason why is because they can't make enough of those 60 hertz displays or 120 hertz displays in order to put them in the base iPhones. So like the iPhone 16, right? Base iPhone 16 60 hertz display. They don't have enough 120 hertz displays to put them in the base level iPhone because they sell so many of them. And that's the same concept here. They're going to sell so many of the Z Fold 7 that there simply isn't enough product to go around for them to be able to manufacture the units, the amount that they would need, right? So 4.5 millimeters when it's unfolded, that's how thick it's going to be, versus the Z Fold 6, which is 5.6. So it's 1.1 millimeters thinner. Folded wise, it's going to be 9.5 millimeters versus 12.1 millimeters. The inside display is expected to have an 8.2 inch display versus 7.6. The outside display is 6.5 versus 6.3. Which again just shows how officially small of an upgrade it actually is, but it is an upgrade. Listen, it's also going to have Snapdragon 8 Gen or 8 Elite processor, but they're going to remove some cores from it, some performance cores. So it's going to be a watered down version. I say this in every single video. Please do not buy the Z Fold 7. Hold out and wait and buy the Z Fold 8. Do not buy the Z Fold 7. Just not worth it. It's really just going to be a copy and paste. But at the same time, it is what it is. Z Fold 8 should be better, so definitely think about buying that. But see you guys next one. Peace.